Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss next topic of chapter 6, that is globalization. In this session we are going to discuss definition of globalization, policy promoting globalization of Indian economy, positive and negative impact of globalization. What is the globalization? Globalization means integrating the economy of a country with the economics of other the condition of free flow of trade and capital across borders. It means globalization may be defined as a process associated with increasing opens, growing economic interdependence and deepening economic integration in the world economy. Economic reforms aim at integrating the Indian economy with the global economy. As a result, there will be uncontrolled flow of goods and services, technology and expertise between India and rest of the world. It is expected that capital and technology will flow from the developed countries of the world towards India. Now, policy promoting globalization of the Indian economy. Following are the some important policies that have influenced the process of globalization of Indian economy, in which first increase in equity limit of foreign investment. Equity limit of foreign capital investment has been raised from the initial 40%. It now ranks between 51 to 100%. In 47 high priority industries, foreign direct investment to extent of 100% has been allowed without any control. Export trading houses have also been allowed foreign capital investment up to 100%. Next, partial convertibility. To achieve the objective of globalization, partial convertibility of Indian rupees has been allowed for the following transaction: import and export of goods and services, payment of interest or dividend on investment, remittance to meet family expenses. It is called partial convertibility because it does not cover capital transaction. Partial convertibility means sale and purchase of foreign currency for foreign transaction at the market. Third, long-term trade policy. In conformity with economic reforms, foreign trade policy is enforced for a longer duration, nearly 5 years, implying that it is liberal policy. Under this policy, all controls on foreign trade have been removed. Open competition is encouraged. Some specific goods, most goods are traded free of control. Fourth, reduction in tariffs. In order to encourage competitiveness, tariff barriers have been withdrawn on most of the goods traded between India and rest of the world. Fifth, withdrawal of quantitative controls. Since 2001, the quantitative control on all import items have been totally withdrawn. This is in a conformity with Indian commitment to the World Trade Organization. Now, there are few positive impact of globalization. Points in favor of globalization are: globalization has been able to establish link in such a way that happening advancement in India can be influenced by event happening rest of the world. Globalization has been able to turn the world into one whole, or creating a world as it provides easy access to global market. We are now exposed to advanced technology and are able to develop indigenous production in the international markets. Globalization should be seen as an opportunity in terms of greater access of global markets and increased possibility of large industries of developing countries to become important players in the international arena. Now, Following are the points against globalization. Globalization is a policy of developed countries to expand their market in other countries. Market-driven globalization has increases the economic disparities among nations and people. Globalization has compromised the welfare and identity of people belonging to poor countries. Now, the next topic, an appraisal of LPG, which we are going to discuss in the next session.